Gourmet meals on a budget? Absolutely. Let's cook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be showing you gourmet meals that you can achieve on a budget. Ever dreamt of whipping up gourmet meals without emptying your wallet? Well, guess what? It's totally achievable, and we're here to show you how. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and impress your taste buds with these fantastic tips and tricks. Forget expensive ingredients. The secret to gourmet cooking on a budget lies in building incredible flavor. Think of your palate as a canvas and your ingredients as vibrant paints. Let's create a masterpiece. Layering flavors is key. Don't be shy about combining sweet, savory, spicy, and tangy elements. A little bit of this and a little bit of that can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Fresh herbs and spices are your best friends. They're like little flavor bombs that can elevate even the most basic ingredients. Grow your own herb garden for extra savings and freshness. A splash of acidity can work wonders. A squeeze of lemon juice or a dash of vinegar can brighten up a dish and add a delightful zing. It's the perfect finishing touch. Don't underestimate the power of umami. Ingredients like sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and mushrooms add a savory depth that will leave you craving more. These are the secret weapons of gourmet cooking. You don't need fancy ingredients to create gourmet meals. In fact, some of the most delicious dishes are made with humble staples. Let's explore how to elevate simple ingredients to new heights. Risotto might sound intimidating, but it's surprisingly easy and affordable to make. All you need is rice, onions, garlic, mushrooms, and broth. The slow cooking technique is what makes it so creamy and delicious. Pasta is a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Dress it up with a creamy sun-dried tomato sauce, a pesto made from fresh herbs, or a simple garlic and olive oil sauce. The possibilities are endless. Potatoes are the ultimate comfort food, and they're incredibly versatile. Boil them, mash them, roast them, stuff them, or turn them into fries. Experiment with different seasonings and toppings to create unique and flavorful dishes. Ready to get cooking? Here are a few of our favorite budget-friendly recipes that taste like they came from a fancy restaurant. Get ready to impress your friends and family. Creamy garlic butter mushroom risotto is a classic dish that feels indulgent but uses affordable ingredients. The rich, savory flavors will transport you to Italy. Spicy shakshuka with poached eggs is a vibrant and flavorful North African dish that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eggs simmered in a spiced tomato and pepper sauce? Yes, please. Creamy sun-dried tomato pasta is a simple pasta dish elevated with the intense flavor of sun-dried tomatoes. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Lentil soup is a hearty and nutritious soup that's very budget-friendly. It's packed with protein and fiber, and it's perfect for a cold winter day. Curried broccoli stem cashew soup is a creative way to use often discarded broccoli stems. This flavorful soup is both delicious and sustainable. Jambalaya is a one-pan meal with protein, starch, and veggies. It's a complete and satisfying meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. Want to take your budget-friendly cooking to the next level? Here are a few pro tips that will help you save money and create incredible meals. Shop smart. Buy in-season produce, consider less expensive cuts of meat, and buy in bulk when it makes sense. Planning your meals ahead of time can also help you avoid impulse purchases. Use pantry staples. Build meals around ingredients you already have on hand. This will save you money and reduce food waste. Get creative and experiment with different combinations. Master basic cooking techniques like roasting and stir-frying. These techniques are essential for creating flavorful and healthy meals. Plus, they're surprisingly easy to learn. Reduce food waste. Use leftovers to create new meals, compost food scraps, and store food properly to prevent spoilage. Every little bit helps. Presentation matters. Take the time to make your meals look appealing. A beautifully plated dish is more enjoyable to eat. It's all about the experience. Add a finishing touch. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, toasted nuts, or fresh herbs can elevate a dish and add a touch of elegance. It's the perfect way to impress your guests. Make a simple sauce. Deglaze a pan with wine, balsamic vinegar, or lemon juice after cooking meat. This will create a flavorful sauce that will complement your dish perfectly. So what are you waiting for? It's time to put these tips and tricks into action and start creating gourmet meals on a budget. Remember, cooking should be fun and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Ready to transform your kitchen into a gourmet haven without breaking the bank? Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, budgeting tips, and cooking tutorials. Share your culinary creations with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you cook up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Let's get cooking.